Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the best settings for Govee TV Backlight 3. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Govee TV Backlight 3 and are wondering how to actually calibrate the color on it. Now, the way to do this is that this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you want to do is that you want to pull up a completely blank white screen. So the way that I did this was that I went onto YouTube and just pulled up a completely blank white screen. And then the next thing that you want to do is that you want to go into your Govee app and then click on your TV backlight. So give it a couple of seconds to load, and then once it loads, you want to scroll down to where it says relative brightness. So this is my relative brightness. You can adjust this to how you want, but I have all sides at 80% relative brightness, with the bottom side being 30% and then the overall brightness being 50%. So you can copy my settings, and this really does work well when it comes to watching any type of TV show, movie, or even playing video games. But once you've set the relative brightness, you're going to exit out of that and then click on color calibration. Now this is my color calibration settings, where it's set to 50% saturation and 26% white balance. Your white balance might look different from mine depending on your TV. So what you need to do is that you need to drag this to the right or left and have the lights match as close as possible to the blank white screen. So you can see how if I set it to a white balance of 84%, it's really pinkish on the sides. From my eyes, it might look different from you because you're watching through a YouTube video. If I set mine to 26% white balance, the white on the light strip matches pretty closely with the completely blank white screen, as you see right over here. So you'll have to adjust it yourself. You can use my white balance setting, that what you see over here, to see if it matches closely with what's on yours. But that's the way to actually go ahead and calibrate and get the best settings for your Govee TV Backlight 3. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.